In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a recurring Google Meet using Google Calendar. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're managing repeated meetings and want to ensure everything is set up seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to open your Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to your preferred web browser and typing in calendar.google.com. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the features we'll be using. Once your calendar is open, look at the top left corner. You'll find a button that says Create. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Event. This step will open a new window where you can input all the details of your meeting. Now let's get your meeting set up. Start by giving your event a title. Make it something clear and specific so you and any participants know exactly what the meeting is about, like weekly team sync or bi-monthly client update. Next, select the date and time for your first meeting. Remember, this is just for the initial occurrence. We'll set up the repeating schedule in a moment. Underneath the time settings, you'll see an option labeled Add Video Conferencing. This is where you'll click to generate a Google Meet link automatically. It's a fantastic feature because it saves you from having to manually create a link each time. Now, let's address how frequently you want this meeting to occur. You'll see a drop-down that currently reads Does Not Repeat. Click on that and you'll be presented with several choices for setting up recurring events. If your meeting should take place every day, go ahead and select Daily. For events that occur on the same day each week, choose Weekly on Day. And if it's a monthly occurrence, monthly is your option. Additionally, there's a custom setting for more complex schedules, like having the meeting every 2 weeks or on specific days of the week. After you've set the recurrence, there's an option to add guests, which is entirely optional. You can enter their email addresses, and they'll receive notifications and the Google Meet link for each event in the series. Once that's all complete, go ahead and click Save. And there you have it. Everyone on your invite list will see the same recurring Google Meet link across all events. Setting up a recurring meeting not only streamlines your work, but also ensures consistency for everyone involved. We hope this tutorial has equipped you with the knowledge to confidently schedule your recurring Google Meet sessions using Google Calendar. Thanks for joining us today, and happy scheduling!